Hi, my name's Cinco, and I'm an onboarding specialist with Calendly. Let's set up your Calendly account so you can book sales meetings that work for you. First, connect your calendar so prospects only book calls when you're available. Calendly reads what times you're open or busy, so you're never double booked. You can also connect multiple calendars if you have a separate work calendar and personal calendar. Seen here, I can connect a Google Calendar for both Gmail and G Suite, an Outlook calendar for both Outlook.com and Office 365, or an Exchange calendar. Next, set your default schedule for when you want to take meetings. You might be open on your calendar, but do you really want to have a meeting first thing in the morning when you might like to focus on prospect research? You can fine-tune your availability and take control of your day. Here, I've made my availability 10 to 5 on Monday, allowing me a couple hours to get ramped up for my day. I've also adjusted mine on Wednesday, reserving the last 2 hours of the day to do prospect outreach. And then on Friday, I'm not taking any meetings after noon. Now you're going to set a meeting location. Calendly supports video conferencing, phone calls, and in-person meetings. If you use video conferencing, head to Integrations and Apps and change our filter to video conferencing. You can connect Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and all the popular vendors. As seen here, I've connected my Zoom account. You'll notice that Calendly has already created a default one-on-one meeting for you. You can begin using that right away or go through and customize it more like I've done. Going into the event type settings, you'll notice that I've updated mine from 30-minute meeting to discovery call. I've kept the duration at 30, and I've set my location as Zoom. You'll also notice here that I have the option to add additional locations, inviting my prospect to choose their preferred method. From the more options, I've added daily limits and buffers. A 15-minute after buffer allows me time to wind down from the meeting and prevents back-to-back meetings. I've also set max meetings to 3 per day, meaning once that day has been booked 3 times, no longer will it be available. You can also create other event types for different meeting scenarios, like product demos that you co-host with a teammate. That's found from the Create button in the upper left corner. If you click More Ways to Meet, you'll see that collective that allow you to have multiple hosts. You've completed the basics, and it's time to invite others to schedule with you. Remember when you had to ask a prospect for their availability, to realize none of them worked out, and then you're stuck in an endless loop for days? Well, now you can speed up every deal by adding times directly to an email, including your Calendly link in your signature, and quickly scheduling on LinkedIn or Gmail with Calendly's browser extensions. From here, I can easily copy a link, I can copy a single-use link, or I can copy times into that email. I'll select next 5 days available. I'll trim this up a little bit by removing Tuesday, click Finish and Share, and very easily populate those right into the email for simple booking. You'll find our extensions from the Integrations and Apps tabs. Just filter this list down to Extensions and Apps. However you choose to share your link, include a thoughtful message for your prospect and watch those meetings flow in.